Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. I struggle to drink water, or at least enough water every day, because I sometimes find it boring. So adding some flavor is what I was looking for. I was excited to try these Ultima Replenisher Electrolyte Mix packs because I didn't want to add any sugar or calories or carbs, but I did want to add some serious hydration with electrolytes. You get 6 key electrolytes with this, like magnesium, calcium, potassium, chloride, phosphorus, and sodium. It also adds vitamin C and zinc, and the flavoring is from real fruit flavors. This variety pack lets you try all the different flavors, so you're not just stuck with one, which sometimes I can get sick of something if it's always the same flavor. This has lemonade, grape, raspberry, cherry, pomegranate, and orange. You just add one of these packs to 16 ounces of water, shake or stir, and you're all set to go. Now, the other thing I like is because you have this pack, you can add the entire pack or you can add just a little bit. So you don't have to be overwhelmed with flavor if you really don't want too much. It's definitely adjustable to what you like. It also has no caffeine in it. So I've been really happy with these. I find myself reaching for my water more and more, drinking it and not like hesitating because I'm so bored. And the variety pack is nice because I can try a different flavor every day. And that is my point of view.